Today, we're going to just talk about how the McCall Method really, really works in your real life. Okay, so my name's Lisa Ann McCall, and I have a fascination with how to move, which they call posture in the world. Physical therapist for many years, developed McCall Method, and I developed it out of the need of wanting to be able to do stuff like this without hurting or feeling tired or fatigued. I just felt so disconnected doing normal stuff. So you may have seen my videos and done some of the exercises and you go, oh yeah, I feel better, I do your stretches. But in reality, everything I teach is designed to go into your life, the real thing, the thing you do all the time, and to make your life bigger from a movement perspective. You see, what we've done is we've kind of compartmentalized exercise so much that when we leave the exercise or the stretch or the hour or the 15 minutes of whatever we're doing, we just disconnect. And that's like the total opposite of what I'm about. So let's say you have learned to do butt up the wall, or learned to bend with me, or learned how to not have your shoulders up high, or whatever one you've learned or combo that you've taken on. How does that work in here, my garden? Okay, so here I have a bunch of stuff to put in the ground, and I can do it a lot of different ways. I can squat, I can bend, I can sit on something, I can be on my knees, and I can do all those different things because I've learned how to orient all my movement from here versus here. So for instance, what most people do in life is move from their neck and shoulders and have everything come from up here to dig and bend, and there's just this disconnect, and you get tired and you really kind of don't like doing it, and sometimes you hurt and sometimes you don't, but there is just this inability to really enjoy, that's the word, enjoy it. So here I am. I'm going to use this bucket for a moment. I'm going to dig a hole, and I can bend deep in my hips and feel fine. Okay, so if I wanted to sit here, I'd be fine. If I wanted, I usually do this. I do this a lot, where I just butt up the air, and then sometimes, depending on where I am, I'll get into what's called pulling the weeds. Now, I have a video series on my website called Gardening that will elaborate a little on this. It's not really expensive. It just gets into a little more big picture. But in general, I'm here to show you not necessarily the details, but that over time, just like a sport, you don't have to think about what you're doing. It just is so convenient. Now, if you've been working with me for a long time and you're still thinking about every little move you make, that's because you aren't trusting your body. This work I do is designed for you to ultimately trust you. Trust your body. And when you trust, you're out of your head. You're not in your head anymore. You're just kind of digging and grooving, and it's just not a lot of effort. So I'm kind of here more to show you where the McCall Method can take you instead of showing you a movement. And that at 60, I plan this to be just as easy, if not more. At 90, unless I'm supposed to, like, you know, leave the place, I will be pretty confident that this is not going to go away, because it's just the design of the body. It's how it works. Okay? If you like this video, make sure you share with your friends. Share with your friends. And subscribe. Okay, I got to get back to play, not work.